In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Meet app effectively in just 5 minutes. Whether you're working from home or simply trying to stay connected, Google Meet is a fantastic tool for virtual meetings. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll need to install the Google Meet app. To do this, open your web browser and type meet.google.com into the address bar. This will take you to the main Google Meet page, where you'll find an easy path to get the app up and running on your device. Once you're there, look for the PC icon accompanied by a downward arrow on the right hand side of your screen. This small but significant detail is your gateway to installation. Go ahead and click on it to get the app installed. You'll notice a prompt asking if you'd like to pin Google Meet to your taskbar. Select yes to have quick access right from your taskbar whenever you need it. With Google Meet now installed, you're all set to create a meeting of your own. Let's give that a try. Open up your newly installed Google Meet app. At the bottom right corner, you'll find a new button represented by a movie camera icon. Tap that and then you'll see an option to create a link. Once you select this, a unique link will be generated. You can copy this link and share it via email or text with friends, colleagues, or anyone you want to invite to your meeting. Now, if you're joining an existing meeting, open the Google Meet app again. You'll need to tap the search bar where you can enter the meeting code or nickname that you've been provided. After entering the necessary information, hit the join button and you'll be in. Scheduling a meeting is equally straightforward. Launch the Google Meet app and once again tap the new button, which is recognizable by the movie camera in the lower right corner. This time tap on schedule, symbolized by a calendar icon. Here you can tailor your meeting details like the title, time, and who you want to invite. Customize these fields to fit your needs, and once you're satisfied, remember to tap save at the top right. This ensures all your meticulous planning is committed without a hitch. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to utilizing the Google Meet app. With installation, meeting creation, joining an existing meeting, and scheduling all covered, you should now feel confident in navigating Google Meet. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy meeting.